What's up, guys? Hope you guys having a good day. Just want to do a little bit of a stock market recap and a little bit of a day trading recap and show you the trade I took today. So I'm gonna start off with pre-market during the PPI when it came out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. We had a strong pullback, and then we started to really recover pretty fast. And even though we were trading sideways, um, I have tend to notice that when we do have an overreaction, we tend to correct ourselves. And so the my first trade I was down a little over $300, and then my second trade I made $530, and I ended the day up $146 to be exact. So yeah. So basically, I just want to tell you guys what I did. The moment we touched this EMA, I actually went long. And as you can see, for a split second, I was in the green a little bit. Um, but then, as you can see, we got rejected every single time we tried to push above the EMA. Got rejected, pushed right down, right back down. I got out at the moment we broke below and took losses. Took like a $300. I think it was like a $330 loss. But yeah, I honestly thought it was just an overreaction. I thought it was going to correct itself, which it did overall, as you can tell. And then I'm going to show you my second trade I took that made me $530. So, as you guys know, I always wait for the first 15 minutes to be done with for me to draw a horizontal line for my highs and for my lows. And so basically, we had a really nice rally the moment the market opened up. We pushed up, got rejected, pulled back pretty hard. Honestly, I was waiting for it to hold above this EMA, but as you can tell, it eventually broke below it. It retested the EMA again. Now, right here, I'm going to zoom in so that way you guys can really see it. Right here, now I'm on the 1 minute time frame, just to let you guys know. We cracked it right here, and I actually did get in on one contract. And at one point, I was down a few $100s, so I was getting a little bit nervous, and I was just waiting for progress on the upside to cut my losses. And actually, as I was waiting, once I saw that we were getting rejected at the EMA, it gave me a lot more confidence. So I averaged up, and I got into another contract. And then, as you can tell, we broke below the moving average, broke below the 15-minute open range lows. And then right here when we started forming the support from around 10 o'clock to 10:05, that's when I got out. I didn't really see any more progress on the downside. But yeah, just wanted to do a little bit of a stock market recap and day trading recap. The FOMC meeting was today at 2 p.m. I'm gonna move it to that so that way you guys can see how we did overall. So as you can see, all the way leading up to the FOMC meeting at 2 p.m., we were actually pretty bearish. Even right here, we did try to rally at around 11 o'clock, and we just didn't hit any higher highs. So if anyone got in on that massive pullback, congrats to you. But at around 2 p.m., as you can see, we went on a really strong rally and ended the day up, if I'm correct, almost like 0.5%. I am on futures, so futures is opened. So that's why it's only like 0.27%. But yeah, for anyone who doesn't know, the CPI report comes out tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. The forecast for the CPI is 3.6. It previously was 3.7. So, in my opinion, honestly, if we see anything, if it comes in below that, we'll probably be bullish and probably have a nice rally tomorrow. And if we have anything below that, showing that inflation is getting worse and it's not slowing down, then we're going to probably pull back pretty hard. So I'm actually really curious to see if we will either hit 52-week highs tomorrow. It's possible. I mean, that's a little far-fetched, but I don't know for anyone who was trading QQQ, but I think it was not this September, but last September of 2022, QQQ had almost like a 5% day due on the same day the CPI report came out, and TQQQ ended up having, like, because they're triple leverage ETFs, ended up having almost like a 12 to 13% day at its highest. But that was like over a year. That was definitely over a year ago. But yeah, just definitely be on the lookout, guys, for the CPI tomorrow. It comes out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Just be really careful. Always know that the moment you open a position, you open yourself up to risk. So just be careful, guys, leading up to that report. Hope you guys have a good day. If you got any questions, please comment below. Feel free to please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a good night. I'll see you tomorrow.